So good, so good. Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. We have such an exciting unboxing today because this just arrived and I am so excited to dive into this box. You guys have absolutely no idea. So if you guys didn't know, if you've been hiding under a rock, if you've been asleep, etc, you may not know that LUSH basically released a LUSH collaboration with How to Train Your Dragon. Have I ever watched How to Train a Dragon? No. Do I want to watch the new movie? Absolutely. But these products, not only are they the cutest things I've ever seen, the scents are insane. So I'm so excited to dive in and open this box. I have been holding off opening this box and I have been itching. Like, I need to open it. So grab yourselves a drink. I've got mine. I'm currently drinking a strawberries and cream. I can't get my words out. Strawberries and cream flavoured Pepsi. Now before this, I would never order Pepsi. I would never buy Pepsi or Coke. Either I didn't like. I wasn't really a fan. More of a fruity gal, if I'm being honest, like a Fanta lemon or something. But this, honestly, it's emotional. It's so good. Anyway, before we dive in, I do just want to say that this box of products was kindly sent to me by LUSH, which I am so, again, as always, so incredibly thankful, grateful. It makes me feel physically sick, actually, kind of how thankful and grateful I am, to be honest, because things like this just make my day every single time. So we are going to dive in to this unboxing. I am so excited, so let's go. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, I have seen photos of this box online and my jaw was on the floor, but in person, oh my god, does it hit different, because if this isn't a bit of, it's a book. It's a book box. You can guarantee that I will be keeping this. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. The detail is unbelievable. Have a look and see what you guys think. Look at the edging and the back. Oh my goodness, I am so obsessed with this. So this is obviously just the box and I'm already in awe, but oh, let's just dive in. I cannot wait any longer to smell these products again because I've missed them so much. So let's go. Wow. Okay, so inside we have this card. So cute and fun. And obviously inside we have a little bit about each product. It smells incredible. Oh, so minty, fresh, spicy, so good. So I'm gonna read you what it says on the inside. So it says, dragons are real. Hot from the flames of the LUSH kiln is a collaboration of Viking worthy cosmetics that will have your bathroom routine soaring to new heights. From I can never pronounce words when they're kind of like a play on words. I always say it wrong. Exceptionally relaxing bubble bars and bath bombs to a beard oil and comb. This limited edition collection has something to leave every dragon trainer in the family smelling smoking fresh. It's time to defy the dirt, celebrate your differences and wash like the warrior you are, because the only scales you'll find in this bathroom belong to the dragons. And obviously, as you guys know, this is already out. It came out in May. I'm obsessed. Like, I am obsessed. So I believe we have everything from the collection apart from the beard oil and the comb. So let's go through the products. I'm so excited. Okay, let's just go and let's dive in. I feel like after reading that I need like a big drink. Also, this is obviously not sponsored by Pepsi. Can you imagine? I mean, Pepsi, if you ever see this video, I'm a fan. Right, let's dive in. Okay, so I think we're going to start off strong because this first item I think is, dare I say, my most favourite item from this collection. I honestly screamed with joy when I found out what this smelled like. So this is the Monstrous Nightmare Shower Gel. I am sorry, but look at the detail, the incredible detail of the label, the glitter, the kind of shimmer. Oh, it's just absolutely beautiful. And what I didn't realise is this is actually a shower gel combo of what I believe is hot toddy and glog. I could be wrong. In the good to know section it says 2 powerful gels are forged and then marbled together to create this fiery cinnamon and clove scented spectacle. It says it right on the back of the bottle. I knew, I wasn't imagining it, I definitely saw it somewhere. So in terms of ingredients in this one, we have got aloe vera gel, we've got cinnamon leaf oil, clove oil, lime oil, orange oil, benzoyl resinoid, we've got dark cinnamon, patchouli oil, we've got carrageenan extract. Let's give it a smell. I already know I love this one. Oh, it's so good. It's definitely hot toddy and something, like I am adamant, because it's super hot toddy, if that makes any sense. Like, it literally does smell exactly like hot toddy. Unless someone told me any different, I wouldn't think it was anything else. Oh, it's so good. Very spicy, very warming, and I'm not gonna lie to you, like, you're probably thinking, like, this is not a typical shower gel that I would love the smell of, but I love hot toddy because it takes me back to working for Lush. My first Christmas, I believe, was when the year hot toddy came out. And ever since then, when I smell it, it just takes me back to working there, and I just love this. The bottle alone is beautiful, the packaging. I just know that Ryan is going to be obsessed with this one, so I'm going to have to hide it. Ryan, if you ever watch this video, keep your hands off my shower gel. Okay, let's move on to the other item, which I am again beyond excited about. So this is incredible. Oh, I can smell it already. It's so good. Okay, so this is Astrid's Axe. This is a bubble wand. So with these ones, you just hold them under the water and then it makes loads of bubbles. You set it on the side and it will dry, and you can use it again and again and again and again, etc. So in terms of ingredients in this one, it has got things like Sicilian lemon oil, rosemary oil, green mandarin oil, and we also have sage oil. Oh, it's so delish though. It's really hard to describe it. Like, it's definitely fresh. It has like a minty kind of essence to it. It could just be something else in the box, I don't know, but it's very fresh, very citrusy, very clean. Oh, it's very good. It is so good. And this is what it looks like. Please do excuse my non-painted nails, by the way. I haven't had a chance to do them, but this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. I love. Oh, it's so good. Honestly, I cannot wait to sit down and watch the film because I don't really know any of these items or the characters. I only know Toothless, which I'm pretty sure is the main dragon. Is that even his actual name? I don't know, but he's my favourite. Oh, so good. Yum, delish. I have nowhere to put that now, so we're going to pop that on the floor. Okay, next up, let's dive into the soap. Now, the soap is a funny one because it reminds me of Eddie from Stranger Things. I know that's really random, but tell me, this doesn't look like the end of a guitar that Eddie from Stranger Things would play. It does, right? It really is giving Eddie from Stranger Things, but I am obsessed with this one. So this is the Toothless Tail soap, and ingredients in this one, we have got fresh mint, we have got spearmint oil, we've also got coconut oil, rapeseed oil, and then perfumes and things. Oh, this is so good. So this one smells very similar to the blue soft mints. I know that's really random. It's minty. It's like a creamy minty smell. It's so fresh though, like really fresh, invigorating. And I have heard that there is a scrub in the black part of this soap as well, which will be really nice. I love that. Oh, it's so good. So again, this is what it looks like. It's such a fun, unique design. My only fear with this one is, will this bit come off quite like soon while I'm using it? But I mean, if it does, I'll just use it on its own. Oh, that is so delicious. Wow. Oh, yum. Okay, I need to put that down because I'm just going to be smelling it all day long. That is so good. And last but definitely not least is probably the cutest bath bomb I've seen in a while, and that is the Toothless bath bomb. You can't tell me that he is not the cutest thing you've ever seen. He is so cute. So this one, in terms of ingredients, we've got spearmint oil, we've got cream of tartar. That is literally it. It's going to be minty. Let's give it a smell. Oh, so good again. I might be completely wrong, I just got that on my face, but this smells exactly like this, pretty much. Both very minty, both very strong, very creamy, absolutely delicious, and he is so cute as well. Look at his little face, he's so sweet. I absolutely love. Oh, so good, so good. So those are all of the items which I was ever so kindly sent from the Lush How to Train Your Dragon collaboration. I absolutely love this range. I'm also just so obsessed with every single Lush collab. I don't know what it is, it just makes me so excited. It's so fun. I mean, don't get me wrong, they are pumping them out. Like, my bank account, she can't handle it, I'm being honest, but I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. It brings me so much joy, and I'm such a limited edition Lush collection kind of gal. Like, I love the Christmas range, so this, it just makes me want to go and buy all of it. You know what I mean? Anyway, I love this range. I would love to know down below, what did you think of this collection? Did you love? Did you hate? I would love to know down below. Also, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, please do. I upload twice a week on this channel, and we mainly focus on Lush and books. So if you like those kinds of things, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!